Hi guys, welcome back. It's time to learn how to stream every new macOS Tahoe screensaver right now. In what could be great news for folks who are charmed by macOS Tahoe's eye-catching screensavers, Apple has made the new screensavers available on its servers. That means you can watch them right now without waiting for the official OS release. The collection features breathtaking aerial and nature footage, including picturesque views from India, set to arrive on Mac screens later this year. That said, let's check out the following macOS Tahoe screensavers. Lake Tahoe collection includes Tahoe Day, Tahoe Evening, Tahoe Morning, and Tahoe Night. And the Himalayan landscapes includes Himalayan peaks, Himalayas days, and True Himalayas. And the Indian coastal and natural scenes includes Goa beaches, Goa coast, Reservoir Day, Tea Gardens Day, Tea Gardens Mist, Tea Gardens from above, and Kansai from above, and the Ganges. In order to download these screensavers, make sure to check the link that I have shared in the description. It's worth pointing out that these videos can also serve as dynamic wallpapers that change with the time of day. Setting them in the screensaver section of System Settings makes your wallpaper and screensaver sync, animating when idle and freezing elegantly when you return to your desktop, similar to Apple's aerial screensavers. Keep in mind that selecting them from the wallpaper section sets a static background, but it will still adjust brightness based on the time of the day. While they will roll out automatically to all Mac users once macOS Tahoe launches, streaming or downloading them now offers an early preview of the beautiful visuals heading to your desktop. And that's about it. So that's how you can easily stream every new macOS Tahoe screensavers right now. Now that you have unlocked these cool screensavers, make the most of them to take up your macOS desktop. And I'll catch you up in the next one.